Lisa Fantella, and I would like to talk to you about this Mustang 66, and that has been recently restored. I bought this car in Medford, Oregon, and it was painted with ghost flames, ready to a new life. The previous owner was an army officer, and it was my very first import into Europe. When we started the restoration, we saw 5 to 6 paint coats, so we decided to bring the car to bare metal and do a coupe to fastback conversion. Looking back, it would be much more cost effective to buy a fastback than to do a coupe to fastback conversion, but at that time my father was with cancer and I needed a big project, so I decided to create a 66 GT350 Tribute. Additionally to that, we decided to put the pony interior that Shelby didn't have. A part of that, it is a very accurate tribute. In the engine bay, we tuned up the engine with new carburetor. We also added a new ignition system, as well as full performance headers with a dual flow masters that enable us to have the side pipes of the GT350. This allows the little i6 engine to perform as a V8, but being lighter, also less consumption, and a pure engine sound. Not sure how much it's worth for anybody else but me, but for me it means a lot. I have learned significantly every second I have passed with this car. From the logistics that it cost 4 times what it was quoted and took 5 times what it was supposed to take, and the restoration process that it took 3 years. First the conversion that took more than a year, then the paint, the very bespoke paint that took also more than a year, then the tune-up of the engine, then the brakes, then again the brakes, then the exhaust. It was very long process and very fun, but also challenging. When I finally finished the project, I went partying. Now I have many projects to complete, giving life to classics. So I decided to say bye to this old friend that was very important and helpful to me. Over that time, I needed a good friend to improve it. I hope the new owner enjoys it and have a lot of fun riding this beautiful pony.